In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had a toss and Mayfield primary won and decided to go first. Now in this section, it lasts for 4 minutes, so with that time on the clock, we begin with Mayfield. Bible knowledge, how old was Adam when he died?
920 years old.
Incorrect, 930 years old. Bible knowledge for you, solid base. How old was Enoch when he was translated?
32 years old. 32 years old.
Incorrect, 365 years old. International affairs, this is a visual question, Mayfield. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Egypt.
Correct. International affairs, a visual question, solid base. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
South Africa. South Africa.
Correct. Please don't shout. Science, what is another name for unwanted sound? And this is for you, Mayfield.
Noise.
Or noise pollution. That's correct. Science, solid base. Through which state of matter does sound travel the fastest?
Solid.
Correct. Television, a visual question, Mayfield. Look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character.
Bumblebee.
Correct. Television, a visual question, solid base. Look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character.
Optimus Prime.
Correct. English language, Mayfield. Identify all the common nouns in this sentence. My friend and I are going to a Mexican farm next week.
Friend and farm.
Incomplete. Friend, farm, and week. English language, solid base. Identify all the common nouns in this sentence. The boy took books and pencils to school on Friday.
Books, pencils on Friday.
Boy, books, pencils. Boy, books, pencils.
Incomplete. Boy, books, pencils, and school. Sports, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person. Would you like to try solid base?
No, thank you. No, thank you.
Sashley Forbes, Jamaican athlete. Solid base, sports, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Tia Clayton.
Tia Clayton.
Jamaican athlete, that's correct. General knowledge, what is the capital of Australia? Mayfield?
Canberra.
That's incorrect. Canberra is what we're looking for. General knowledge, solid base, what is the capital of Norway?
Oslo.
Oslo is correct. Social studies, Mayfield. In what parish in Jamaica is Catherine Peak found?
St. Catherine.
Incorrect. St. Andrew. Solid base, social studies. In which parish in Jamaica is Dolphin Head Mountain located?
St. Anton.
Hanover.
Correct. Mayfield. Music, James Chambers is the birth name of which Jamaican reggae artist?
Shaggy.
Incorrect. Jimmy Cliff. Solid bass music. Winston McIntosh was the birth name of which Jamaican reggae artist?
Peter Tosh.
Correct. Mathematics, Mayfield. What is 776,112 rounded to the nearest 10,000?
$780,000.
Correct. Mathematics, solid base. Incorrect. 770,000. Mathematics. What is 812,345 rounded to the nearest 100,000?
800,000.
That is correct. Jamaican affairs, and we don't have time for any more questions. That's the end of section 1. The scores are Solid Base Prep on 8 and Mayfield Primary on 3. Please stay with us. When we return, we'll have our next section. But before we do that, we'll have our friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Set learning goals for yourself this year. Don't just hope you will achieve success. Set goals and work to achieve them. Our friendly tip there from Guardian Achiever. Please stay with us. Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.